I almost admire, but I despise them. Don't be afraid. Some fundamentalists, I had along these lines a very interesting debate some time ago with a Catholic friend who was at least honest. You remember that mystery of the Turin Shroud, are those stains there Christ's blood? And you know what confidentially this highly placed bishop told me? He prays to God every evening that this is not really Christ's blood. You know what? How he reasoned. If this is somehow we prove it, don't ask me how, Christ's blood, then the first question is, let's analyze DNA. And what we will get there, probably now I'm extremely brutal, that Christ was the result of Virgin Mary screwing with some servant there. But it's better not to know. But some American fundamentalists have a crazy answer. God doesn't have a DNA, so we will just get the double DNA of Virgin Mary herself, So this is for me the most dangerous temptation. This naive fundamentalists, which even lack this, what I find in authentic religion is this radical openness. For example, great guys, the one who was loved by Niels Bohr, Kierkegaard, he said, I'm not sure that I believe. I only maybe believe that I believe. And I think the moment you go into fundamentalism, you are lost.